Yo, so we're back. You know what I'm saying? I took a whole week off of trading because I was in one trade, but fuck all that. We back today and we back this week. We back forever now. I'm not gonna be doing some hoe ass shit again. Never that. But let's get straight into it, man. Power of five stocks is where I choose five stocks that I'm trading literally tomorrow, every single day. So yeah, let's get into it. As you can see, we're on Rivian. Now, Rivian is looking good. As you can see, we have all this liquidity up here from right here to here to here. I posted a back testing strategy yesterday, so go watch that video to learn my strategy. I got an up candle and a down candle. That is a high. You take the highest of those two wicks, which is a yellow candle, and then now you just draw a line, and then when the 5 minute breaks this structure, right? So it goes here. There's a candle that prints and it breaks it. And then it retests the line. I am entering long. And honestly, you go back on the 1 hour chart and then you say, okay, where's the smart place to take profit? You can either do here or up here or here. Me personally, I'm going to just do here, 1132. You know what I'm saying? Or I might just do 1125. Same thing, 5 cents away. So yeah, that's what I'm looking at for Rivian. Remember, the candle has to break. Candle doesn't break, we're not trading it. Or if it breaks and it goes and it sweeps all this liquidity, we are not trading it. But let's get into it. ConocoPhillips. I've never heard of this shit in my life. Oh man. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so this broke structure on the 1 hour. So now we go into the 5 minute. Alright, now the 5 minute has broken the structure. Once it returns and hits the order block, which is the line, then I'm gonna go long until this gap. And that's it, man. Once it hits the line, you just go long into the gap and take profit. And that's it. Simple as that. Now, Amazon. My plug Amazon. Now, it broke structure on the 1 hour. So let's go to the 5 minute. Okay, as you can see, it broke structure but never retested the line. So honestly, if this hits the line, goes down, retest the line, you would go long probably until like this liquidity or this gap, or even here. Let's see this. Hold on. Yeah, probably until that gap. So on top of this candle right there, 178.42, that's your take profit, and that's when you get out. Oh, your stop loss would be under here. So yep. Now let's go into the next one. Pepsi Cola, man. So the 1 hour already broke. Now what do you see here? This is a 1 hour gap. 1 hour fair value gap, which is a three candlestick sequence pattern. As you can see, we got three consecutive up candles. And then if there's a gap in between the top of the first candle and the bottom of the third, and there's no wick, that is a fair value gap. So you would just draw a box like that, and then once the price hits this fair value gap, boom, we are long. We are going long until this gap. Pretty straightforward and simple. DKNG, Donkey Kong. DraftKings, my bad. You can see up candle, down candle. Now, if it breaks, okay. Wait. Now, if the 5 minute goes here, breaks this structure, and then hits a line, you would go long. Now, a down candle and an up candle, that's a low. So if it breaks above this, you can honestly trade it to the downside, but this already had swept liquidity, so I feel like it would just go to the upside. So only play this play if it goes to the upside. That's it. Remember, 5 minute breaks this structure, which is the line, and then retest the line, and then you would just go long into this gap, or right here. But yeah, man, so that's Rivian, COP, amzn, PEP, and DKNG. Now, me personally, I think tomorrow I'm getting in Rivian. COP is a good one. amzn is a good one as well. Pepsi is a good one. DKNG, it's alright. So out of all these four trades, those four trades I feel like are going to be profitable. Now, if it gaps but doesn't return to the gap, then don't trade. If it the thing about gaps is if it gaps and then it retraces into the gap, you can possibly trade it because I back tested it and it works. But yeah, I've never taken a trade on that. But hey, man, never say never. So y'all have a good one. I'm out. That's Power 5 stocks. Y'all have a good one.